हम लोग इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे गॉस लॉ। So basically we will take one charge plus q and let's say कि हमें r distance पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैलकुलेट करना है। So we know that the electric field due to plus q charge at certain distance will be along this direction, straight line. To calculate this electric field due to this positive q charge, we will use Gauss law, which states that electric field can be calculated by the formula E dot ds, which is called flux. So flux passing through any charge which is present inside the closed surface is equal to q in by epsilon naught. So let us make some circle, and let us say we have plus q charge here, and at distance r we want to calculate the electric field. So plus q will create an electric field along this direction, and keep in mind this surface is a closed surface. It is a three-dimensional surface which is closed. Let us take some area in this surface area, in this closed surface, spherical surface. Let us say this is ds. So we will create this ds over here. So we know that for any aerial surface, the vector of area is always perpendicular to the plane surface. So this is perpendicular to this surface. So ds vector will be along this direction, and E vector is also along this direction. So the angle between both ds and E vector will be 0 degree. So if we calculate ds dot de, if we calculate E dot ds vector, this will be E ds cos 0, which will be equal to E ds. Now we need to calculate two things. One is flux, which is due to this charge which is present inside this closed surface. This will be an integration of complete flux. So E dot ds is only through this small surface ds. To calculate the complete flux across this whole surface, we need to calculate across the whole area. This will be E dot ds, which will be equal to E into E is constant, so it will be E ds. Now if we do like this here, so flux becomes integration of E ds. So E is constant because the charge is not moving, and we will calculate the integral of whole surface, which will be equal to 4 pi r square, which is the radius of the sphere. And so we have 4 pi r square E. This is the complete flux passing through this closed surface due to this positive q charge. Now once we have calculated the flux, we will use the Gauss law, which is phi flux is equal to charge enclosed divided by epsilon naught, which is permittivity. So charge enclosed is plus q, and flux is E into 4 pi r square. So this will be q divided by epsilon naught. This is plus q charge. So electric field magnitude will be equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. So this is the formula for the electric field calculated due to the positive q charge across this closed surface. I will be making more videos for the electric field, which we can calculate using the Gauss law in depth. Please do subscribe and share with your friends. I will be making more videos on this topic. Thank you.